So, hey, I love that job, but of course that's another story. I had a bad accident. I, this was a brand new Bentley.
Hi, this is Teresa from Reggae Vibes Media, and I'm here with Lottie Sams from the Drifters.
And the streets get so hot, you reach your tired feet, go tired feet. Down by the sea, yeah, on the blanket with my baby, where I am, under the boardwalk, out of the sun, under the boardwalk, we'll be having some fun, under the boardwalk, people walking about, under the boardwalk, we'll be falling in love under the boardwalk, boardwalk. Happy sound of a carousel. You can almost taste those hot dogs, French fries they sell under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on that blanket with my baby, where I live, under the boardwalk, out of the sun, under the boardwalk, we be having some fun, under the boardwalk, people walking about, under the boardwalk, we've been falling in love under the boardwalk, boardwalk.
And then at the end of the show, the management came over to me and said, "You're going to be one of my next drifter."
Ah,
I, took the card, and that was it. I heard nothing for about a year, 18 months.
what were you doing in the meantime
Well, I'm working with my band,
with the band?
with my little band, doing clubs there, a club there, a
So you
park.
really focused in on the singing.
Yeah, I did. I love
That's how
my
you made your living then.
Yeah, well, yes, I should say so. Well, I did other jobs, which I had to, having a wife and children. I
What kind of, was it like a skill-based job or?
No,
other
no, no, no. I had a friend who had a auto repair business, and what he used to do, he did a lot of work for people who leased vehicles, and he
like
would,
rentals.
yeah, he did the the repairs and servicing on the vehicle. So I was dressed in a suit and a tie every day because I used to go pick the vehicles up and take them back at night. And
Okay.
every day, my friends, you see, I would be driving a Bentley one day, a Porsche another day. And I said, man, all I do was buy cars and sell them. So, hey, I love that job, but of course that's another story. I had a bad accident. This was a brand new Bentley, I was saying, and I had to deliver this Bentley back, and it was at the back of the building, and where I went to park the vehicle, it was between, but when I looked out, it was askew. So I looked back, and I said, okay, I'm going to straighten it up. Automatic, of course, it was in reverse, and
Oh no.
crash, bang, man. The door was open, and that poster took the door and ripped it all the way down. That duet was a complete write-off.
Okay.
A complete write-off.
Where I be under the boardwalk.
sure to voice your opinion in the comments section. We really want to hear from you. Also, please like, share the video, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and remember to like the video and subscribe. Check out these other videos you will love.